I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Charles from Ex Freight. Thanks so much for being here today, Charles.
Anytime. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. Now, can you tell us a bit about Ex Freight?
Well, Ex Freight is a digital freight forwarder. We provide instant door-to-door rates from the U.S. and North America to 150 countries for all of our customers. We're talking about air freight, ocean freight, full container. We really try to make freight easy for all of our customers.
And what got you into the industry?
A little bit of luck. Ironically enough, I went to school for computer programming, and I fell out of that because I just couldn't take the long hours in front of a computer screen, and my father actually got me into freight. And I don't know if I should hate him or love him for it. So,
well, thank him for now.
Yes, definitely.
And what are the key differences that COVID-19 has made to your company?
COVID-19 has actually been very good for us, knock on wood. I hate to use that term, but it has really accelerated the digitization of freight, which we have been doing for the last 10 years. So COVID helped the world realize our niche and our value proposition to them, right? They could instantly get a rate, they could book, they could track, they could see all the shipments they wanted to, and they didn't have to wait on someone who was working from home to get back to them 3 or 4 days later. So. Yeah.
And are there any digital forwarding actions that you've taken throughout the pandemic?
Well, in terms of what we've done to tweak the process and make it better, the carriers have finally released access to their booking and reservation systems. So now we're using those API connections to instantly pull the available space into our system and giving our customers the ability to see actual live bookable space instead of just what we had in the past, which was space that we assumed was available, and we had to sometimes, find additional, routings to make it happen.
Yeah. And what are your thoughts on e-commerce and digitalization within the industry?
It's badly needed. It's inevitable. So all the other forwarders out there need to start digitizing their business. It allows the customer, allows the business to run very efficiently and interact with other customer ERP systems, right? So we have a whole plethora of APIs that the customer can interact with and pull the data directly into their system. So it makes everyone all efficient in the whole supply chain.
And what are the benefits of being an NAP member?
Well, we get to meet other members who think digitally, who think like we do, and we just can't find that anywhere else. So.
And are there changes that you've seen throughout the years in the air cargo industry? That's probably quite vague, there must be lots, but can you tell us about the key changes you've seen?
Yeah, it's finally digitizing. After years and years of doing what we've been doing, manually maintaining data tables and all that, the airlines and the carriers have finally released access to the reservation system, which is opening up the door to go from anywhere to anywhere in the world for us. So it's great. Well,
going on from that, are there any new technologies that you've noticed that have really worked or are working?
Well, the API connectivity that the airlines are providing is great. Some of the new tracking facilities that are available. I mean, everything is just sort of coming and creating this new sense of opportunity. It's exciting times for us.
It is. And talking of exciting times, what are your thoughts on CCL TV being here at the conference?
I think it's great. I think it's sorely needed. There's not sort of a platform for some of the small, medium-sized forwarders are out there to get the word out, and I think it's great.
Lovely. Well, thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.